My people, take a look at this bread. You requested that I make bread using ripe plantain, so I am here with this interesting recipe that will blow your mind. Watch to the end and help me to share. So I have here with me 4 ripe plantain. I'm just going to peel 2. I want to make 2 loaves of bread for this week. So I peel off the ripe plantain and then chop it into smaller sizes as usual. Then I'm going to put it in the blender and blend it very smooth. Now tell me, which of the bread recipe have you tried after watching my video? And did it come out nice? Did you like it? Let me know in the comment section. So once I'm done cutting it, I'm going to put it in my blender and then I'm going to go in with 2 eggs, dates. For those of you saying that dry fish, now date too. And then I added 5 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Cover it and then I'm going to blend it very smooth. Now tell me where you're watching this video from. On my next video, I'm going to send you a hug. Today's special hug goes to Chizi Terem, watching me from Ghana. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys. Next, I transfer it into a bowl and then I'm going to go in with 1.5 cup of oats on it. And then I'll add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. On my previous video, I didn't add oat on it. I just add baking powder, blend it very smooth and bake it, which it came out nice. But guys, trust me, adding oat on this changed everything for you. It bring out that bread look you want to see. So I buttered my pan and then I transfer it into the pan and then I put it in the oven. I bake it on 200 degree for 20 minutes. So while I was doing this, my oven was already heated. Next, I'm just going to tap the pan a little bit for those bubbles to come out. If you don't do it like this, after baking the bread, there will be some holes on it. So lastly, I'm just going to spread some seed, which is totally optional, and then I'm going to put them in the oven to bake. Now tell me, are you going to try this? Because you are going to love it. So I'm just going to bake it in the oven, like I said, 200 degree for 20 minutes. Guys, take a look at this. The result is wonderful. I think this is one of the best bread I've ever baked. When I cut it, I was like, wow, oh my goodness. This is so nice. Give this a try. Come back in the comment section and share your results. I would love to read all your comments. Take a look at this. This is wonderful. Why wasting money buying bread when you can make this in the comfort of your own home? When I bite it, I was like, oh my goodness, this is wonderful. The taste is amazing. The oats I added on it changed everything about this plantain bread. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful and interesting, help me to share this video so that it gets to other people as well. See you all on my next one. Bye.